What's up, guys? It is Taco Tuesday yet again, and we have another accessory, and that is all of the little liners, protectors for the cup holders and the door little nook, and I mean every little nook and cranny on the whole interior of the truck. So this one is from Amazon. They have these on eBay as well. This set, they come with different accent colors. Like, you could just get all black if you wanted to, or the little, you know, color around the edge. I got the gray because it's obviously closest to the silver, and I don't really want to go with like a specific accent color for the inside at all. They do have red if you have like a red theme going on. There's blue, there's also white, but I thought the, you know, kind of light gray was a nice little touch. So yeah, I mean, this isn't it. There's a ton of pieces in here. All right, so like I said, every little, you know, cup holder and nook and cranny. The point of these is it's going to be a lot easier to clean those areas out. So let's say you do have a, you know, cup holder and you got a little, you know, condensation ring, or you get crumbs in there, whatever. You could pull the rubber insert out and clean that, as opposed to having to clean inside the actual plastic or the interior. All right, so let me pop all these in and we'll take a look, because there's a ton of spots. All right, they're in, although I have some extras. I'm not sure why. So first off, this is a double cab. So where the handles are, there's one in there. And by the way, these are on top of, like, there's already felt pads, and the felt pad, I believe, is removable. Yep, those just pop out as well, so you can access screws, take the body, you know, the door panel off if you want. These felt pads are fine. It's just obviously if you get something sticky on there, it's kind of not a great thing. So the little rubber should help that. Same thing on the doors. I always keep a water bottle. Every single door in this truck has 2 water bottle holders, right? So there's 8 water bottle holders in the doors. Then there's 2 up front and a third one in the front middle console. Then there's 2 in the middle back. So that's, let's see, 8, 10, 12, 13 bottle holders or cup holders in this truck, which is just ridiculous. But anyway, I also keep a little pair of binoculars back here. So this piece that follows the entire panel, all right, so that is on both sides. While I'm back here, I can show you the double cup holder for the back seat passengers. All right, so let's go up front. Same thing with this door, storage pocket, 2 cup holders plus something else random. Same thing with the door there. So in the center here, there's a generic cup holder here. Then there's a square little box here, which is actually kind of cool. A lot of people get, and I'm on the fence about it, but people get inserts. So there's literally a little box with a hinge lid, so you can take that out if you need to. I don't know. I don't really use this storage yet for anything, but we'll see. So then there's 2 cup holders there, and then that is actually a wireless phone charging pad. However, I can't charge my phone in my current case, so I don't mind having the cover there. Eventually, if I get a thinner case and I can actually use it for charging my phone, which is really, really nice, I'll take that pad out so it doesn't interfere with that. Besides that, it also came with one for the center console, but I do have an organizer in here. All right, so I have the tray, and then I have a split, so it makes the one big storage area 6 smaller compartments, and down on the bottom of that is another rubber pad. So that's kind of a nice little touch. If you didn't have all this organization in there, the felt pad in there would be covered by the rubber. And of course, same thing on this side in the door pocket. Wife has a water bottle, always has wet wipes. And these are actually super handy. She got these on Amazon. These are just seat covers. It's a thin, clear plastic seat cover. That is fantastic if it is pouring rain out, or if you're bringing your vehicle to a mechanic or something. You just slip it over your seat real quick and no one's the wiser. So you don't have a soaking wet seat, or in the case of mechanic, maybe you don't get grease on your seat or anything like that. So yeah, I'm not sure why these are extras. Also, shout out to my wife for the vacuum. This is a Brigii, B-R-I-G-I-I. It's actually really cool. This it's a rechargeable little car vacuum. All right, turns on. It's actually really strong. See, sucking up the floor. Do a better demo here. It works well, but what's cool is that if you flip it over to the other side, it just blows. All right, so if you want to blow air on something, maybe you get a spot where you can't get to and you kind of just blow the dust out as opposed to trying to suck it out. But anyway, she always keeps this in her vehicle, so she lent it to me. And that's about it. So, I mean, I like these. It just, again, it gives it just a little touch of customization, but it's actually pretty practical. Keeping all these areas, you know, clean of debris. When I do want to do a deep clean of the truck, it's nice to pull all these out. I would vacuum them first to get actual crumbs off, but any kind of, like, you know, stickiness or liquid or gunk, you know, embedded crumbs, things like that, that would be easier to get off of these rubber pads than to try to get it off the actual, you know, plastic or the felt inserts that came with the truck. So for $20, I highly recommend one of these kits. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Tuesday, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.